to meet you,
Larry
sir.
Cass.
It's a real pleasure.
Likewise.
Thank you.
Assembly in Lake St. Charles.
Yeah, St. Charles. Yep.
Yes, sir.
You know?
Well, I think he said, well, I don't think, he said she needs chiropractor.
Oh, chiropractor, okay.
I think it's that.
Don't!
That line is just so thin. That's the second one.
Hold it up. Hold it up, Dave.
Oh, look at that's a great size.
Very nice. Very nice.
Having 7 days a week, 15-hour days, and work in business, and he's the absolute love of my life.
That's,
My guiding force.
yes. Beautiful.
Oh my God!
Look at all of them coming up over there now.
Are those crappie over there?
I don't know, but I caught this on the bass lure. I'm thinking there's a 3-pounder. I'm hoping.
My group for 8 summits I go through each day, but it's pretty cool. And my moments at Limbo,
Bluebird pasta, no bluebirds, no live, 1 cup of coffee, you know. That's beautiful. Man, that's a heavy. A pair of bluebirds came on her birthday, and I will say the grief that sometimes is seemingly overwhelming. When that happened, there was a spirit of peace.
Amen.
I was able to soften energy. I had the strength to have energy and remember.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. Hey, hold that up. Now hold him out. Tight, tight, tight. Hold it out and up. He just gained a couple pounds. You know what I mean?
I don't have him in the right spot. It's cutting into my hand.
Okay.
There we go.
Fishing is sharp. He's got another one. Look at that one. Holy cow. Here you go, Dave. There you go. Just drop it. There you go. You're welcome. You're reeling with a crappie. I bet you there's some huge ones in there. They get bigger.
However hard you throw, you can just simply do a little side action like that. But as I launch,
Look, 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 look.
finger,
There's a bass with it. There was a giant bass getting ready to hit my crappie. Look, he's still there. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Maybe I should put a crappie on my bass rod.
I think it's called illegal.
Okay, I know. Holy cow. Let me get the rattle trap. Right. That was a good.
I've never had that happen. I've seen it happen with a friend of mine with a frog.
Yes. Got him.
Got him, got one.
I got one too. Hang on. He's going crazy. And I think it may be a bluegill. Look at this.
Oh, that is.
Holy cow, Larry. Look.
Oh my gosh.
Have you ever seen a bluegill that big? That's what those are, Dave.
Yeah.
I'm keeping that. That is good eating right there, Larry. Matter of fact, that's yours. Look at the size of that.
God.
Holy cow, that's like a high. Look at the side of my head. Just let go of it. Holy cow.
That's huge, David.
On the bass lure. Not really that much bigger, but he's thick bodied.
Yeah.
Remember when we filleted those and they came out? I think I'm gonna take the bucket down there and pour it into the cooler, transfer all, and then so those don't jump out. We're getting quite a few built up there for safety's sake. No, I'm putting the fish in. Crappie. They're right here on the dock, right there, Larry. Just let that fall for about 3 seconds and then slowly reel it. And twitch it when you reel it like this. Give it a little. As you reel, just real slow. Right.
Another one, David.
Look at the size of that one. That's a white crappie.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a picture of it.
Yes.
Let's get a picture together.
That is so neat.
Larry, let me get a picture with you.
Oh my God.
That's clean water in there too if you need to rinse your hands off.
The other thing about fishing, Larry, I want to tell you a little secret, okay? Always, and I probably need you to look at me when I tell you this, always, period now, especially.
What do you got there? Got a nice one.
Golden crispy.
Especially if you plan on catching.
Man, this one is thick. Look how thick that is. And if you guys want to, you can just throw them right in the cooler. Just transferring them.
Going down. It was a huge turtle. He was probably
The Bass Pro Shop fish fryer with the hook on the barbecue tank on it.
awesome.
You want to do that?
I got another one, guys.
Eat some fish?
Big one.
Not a long time, maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours a time.
Oh, this may be the biggest of all.
Oh, don't lose it.
This guy is huge.
Oh my gosh.
It's going to hook and it's going to rub. The hook is that part is on the inside. So you would push trying to free it. Okay. So like that, you pull it down. Okay. And that will catch. So, let's little tartar sauce.
There's another, Larry.
If you want to go right in here, yeah.
If you want. Look at here. Look in here, Dave. No! I did that the other day. I got two.
Yeah.
No, almost.
He went right to the edge of the top.
I know people do. Fish.
Yeah.
My-
Soup.
Yeah, I've never had turtle soup. Certainly I've heard of it, read recipes, but I've never prepared it or never.
When my dad was in the Seabees, we would have the father and son cookout at the Boy Scout camp, and they would keep everything: rattlesnakes, turtles, catfish. So you got to try all the different kind of meats.
To get a badge.
Yeah, not even to get a badge. It was just,
Get a good one, Dave?
yeah, but he got me good. But it's all right. I forgive him. That's insane. What a fishing trip. Larry, I haven't had a fishing trip.
It's like a fish.
Reel it. Reel it. Fight him. Okay, keep going.
Beautiful.
Is that a bass?
Yeah, okay, not all the way up though. Come on, keep reeling, keep reeling. Bring him up where we can see him. Bring him up, bring him up. Okay, he's underneath, so put your rod out, put your rod out. You just got him by the gill. Put his head right into here. Put his head in here.
What is that?
Largemouth bass. We're gonna keep him so you can eat him. Remember, that's a good eater.
I liked it. You would cut out that really darkish brown, almost just reddish brown meat on the belly because it was very, very strong. And the rest of it tastes similar to the salmon. Very fatty fish.
I'm not a fan of salmon.
Gotcha.
Some people aren't. It's just got a different flavor of it. Those that love it. There you go.
He's a fatty. Look at that one. I thought he was a small bass. Wow. They're just right in front of me, right? That's about the third time. Now, it could have been the same fish over and over again, but he's a fatty. Oh, I just spilled the eggs a little bit. All right. Look, I'm just hitting them one after another on this rattle trap.
Did you get another one?
I caught like 3. He went to the bucket.
What a trickster.
I've caught 3 since you guys have been talking. The timing of the thumb is way different. Like that. Yeah. All right. I keep thinking a big bass is going to grab it. Oh, there's something. Grabbed it hard that time. If this is a crappie, this is a good, look at that bend, Larry, on this bass rod. Keep it down. It's probably the bluegill sideways again. It is, I think. Keep him down, keep him down, keep him down. It's a crappie. Look at that.
Oh my God.
Very nice.
That's a 12. See him?
That's beautiful. That's more than 12, I bet.
I'm gonna take a picture of myself. Is she? Make sure the lid's down all the way. You got one? Oh, that was a bass right there. Forget the crappie jigs, they're hitting the rattle traps. It'd be nice to hit a walleye, I'm telling you what. Oh. He almost put that one in my finger.